channel. Today we're going to be doing the thrift store challenge with my dad.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing cold as ice, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so.
The first DIY is this little jewelry box that I decided I would paint for my little sister. So I'm just go ahead and pull off the tape and kind of get a good look at it. And then I decided to rip out all of the stuff that's on the inside of the drawers because they were a bit gross. So now I decided to go ahead and clean it down with a cleaner. That way the paint will help stick better. So now I'm going to get a little bin to set the jewelry box on and paint it this pretty blue color. Next DIY is a mirror picture frame that I'm going to turn into a little tray to put on my dresser. So I've already covered the mirror part with tape so no paint gets on it.
Okay, let me just be honest with you.
So I'm going to go ahead and clean it down so that the gray paint that we're going to use on it will stick and it won't just come off.
Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. Bye guys!